We need to stand up programming that better meets people where their needs are.
This shelter is located off of busy Sports Arena Boulevard. Now, there's still being some work done inside to rehab the building, but soon this space will be helping the chronically homeless and those with substance abuse issues.
Wanting to create a different environment for folks, and an environment that's trauma informed and feels more like welcoming and less maybe stressful for folks who might not do well in a larger shelter.
San Diego Housing Commission Vice President Lisa Jones says this is not like the larger bridge shelters in the downtown area.
They do not have high-level behavioral health, clinical social workers, substance use disorder in our existing shelter system. And so they're really not resourced for that severely mentally ill, significant substance use and co-occurring conditions. That's where hopefully this harm reduction strategy will really be more effective.
The harm reduction strategy means people can come here under the influence. They can't use drugs inside, and county teams will work to try to get them off of drugs or alcohol, then eventually into more permanent housing.
I love the design of this, the smaller, service intensive model. I think it's a wonderful partnership with the county.
The Housing Commission unanimously approved the new shelter. For the first 9 months, it will cost $1.7 million to operate, with homeless service provider Alpha Project running day-to-day operations. The price per bed here is higher than existing shelters, but officials say that's to make sure there are enough services and on-site security.
Frankly, we've overinvested just to make sure that we don't understaff this program, and we can always scale back, but we want to make sure that it's successful.
This shelter is the first piece in a new harm reduction model for the region. The idea is then to open up some smaller safe haven shelters where people can stay longer and have individual rooms. The San Diego Housing Authority, aka the City Council, has until later this week to pull the item for additional review. If that doesn't happen, officials are aiming to open the new shelter late next month or in early November. Matt Hoffman, KPBS News.